And I'm excited because I'm only 8 and this is my first time grinding flour with only a tiny bit of help. So let's get started. First I have to plug the grinder in. Now we've got to twist this. Ugh. Make sure it's tight in there. Here's a scoop of grain.
Are you grinding olive?
I think it worked. We've got a lot of flour there. This would be great for some bread too. Project making flour is a success.